Greetings, everyone. This is Dan from Fur Warriors again. And I know I say this from time to time, but uh, I'm going to cover a topic that's a little bit different than what I normally reference. And most of the information I get is from the late Chuck Missler. Um, it's about Jonathan Swift, who was born in Dublin, Ireland in 1667 and died in Dublin in 1745. He was a satirist writer who was very well known for his wit. He wrote Gulliver's Travels as a way of poking fun at English royalty and government. Over the years, though, the satire kind of lost its meaning, and Gulliver's Travels, which was published in 1726, became more of a children's tale. Now, one of the tales of Gulliver isn't as widely known today. In it, he visits the land of Laputa, whose astronomers brag that they know something that the English astronomers don't know, and that is Mars has two moons. They describe the moons, and one of them actually moves in retrograde motion, and they describe them both with detail that is shown later in reality to being fairly close. Deimos and Phobos, the two moons of Mars, mean panic and fear. Now, the problem is that these two moons weren't officially discovered until 1877, some 151 years later, by Asaph Hall, who was an American. Now, did Jonathan Swift know about these moons in reality? No. He probably relied on some fanciful legends that may have actually been based in reality some 2,000 years earlier. The moons are virtually invisible to the naked eye. They're very small and have a low albedo, which is reflectivity. They're almost totally dark. Ancient cultures were very terrified of Mars. Chuck Missler explains in one of the links below that all calendars changed in 701 BC, possibly due to a change in the orbits of the Earth and Mars. Now, the Bible deals in 360-day years, but something happened to change ours to 365 and a quarter day years. Now, according to a theory by Donald Patton, Ronald Hatch, and Lawrence Steinhauer, orbital resonance from near pass-bys eventually cause the orbits to change and shift when they reach the Roche limit. Now, the link below shows a chart showing the old orbits of the Earth and Mars. During near pass-bys, before this happened, Mars would appear some 50 times bigger than the Moon ever does, and would result in bolides, earthquakes, and other catastrophes. And there's a chart in one of the links that show how this corresponds to various things in the Bible. During the calamities on the earth before and during the tribulation, the earth will be restored, it appears, to a 360-day orbit. Now, I can't prove any of this, but to me it's really interesting. Hopefully it is to you too. Please check out the links below, and may God bless you.